friends, welcome to my channel. This side Veronica and you are watching Beauty's Crown. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how to get rid of dark elbows, dark knees, and this home remedy is so good, very effective and super affordable. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So beauties, for this home remedy, here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of raw milk. Now adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now just mixing them well. So beauties, here my remedy is ready and I'm going to give you a live demo that how you have to apply it and everything. So here I'm taking it on my fingers and then I'm applying it like this. You have to massage it, you have to rub it very gently for like 5 minutes and then let it dry. Now I'm going to let it dry and then I'm going to wash it with normal water. So beauties, after washing with normal water, here I'm back, and now what you have to do, apply coconut oil and leave it like this for overnight. Take few drops of coconut oil and then apply it on your elbow and leave it like this for overnight, and next day take your normal shower. The best time of applying this home remedy is like before going to sleep. Just take raw milk, baking soda, mix it, apply it on your elbows and on your knees, and then just leave it for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash it and then massage your elbow and knees with coconut oil and leave it for overnight. Beauties, do this remedy like three times a week and trust me, you will start seeing the difference. Your dark elbows, knees will going to be like totally clean. It will gonna remove all the dead cells, darkness around your elbows, and your elbows will gonna be like so clean and totally shiny, and there will be no blackness and darkness. So beauty, just go and try this home remedy and trust me, this home remedy will gonna work amazingly. If you have any queries regarding this video, just comment it in the comment section. Hope you have liked this video. If you have any requested video, just comment it and just follow me on Instagram. Do subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.